Finding the domain and range of a linear function. Remember that the domain are the x values, which we input into the function, and the range are the y values, which we get as the outputs of our function. Here's an example. If we have a concert venue that can hold up to 50 people and they're selling tickets for $15 each, this is a function describing the total of income as a function of the number of tickets sold. We need to find the domain and the range. Remember, the domain is the input values, or x values, and the range is the output, or y values. In this case, what we input is how many tickets we sell, and the output, or outcome, is how much money we make, the income. In this case, the domain is how many tickets we sell, and the range is the possible income. Let's go ahead and investigate further. Since the domain is the number of tickets we sell, we have to look at what the possibilities are. Our venue holds up to 50 people, which means we could sell anywhere from 0 to 50 tickets. So x is between 0 and 50. We write 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 50, to show that the number of tickets we sell, x, is between 0 and 50. The line underneath, the or equal to, shows us that 0 is included as a possibility and 50 is included as a possibility as well. Now let's look at the range. The range is the income, how much money we make. We have to look at how much money we're charging for each ticket and how many tickets we could possibly sell. Since it's $15 per ticket, our possibilities are we could sell 0 tickets, in which case we make $0, all the way up to selling 50 tickets, in which case we make $750. That means that our range of income is between 0 and $750. We would write 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 750 to show that the amount of income is between 0 and 750, including those two values. How would you find the domain and the range if this were a graph? Well, if we wanted to graph the number of tickets and the income for the situation, we could start with selling 0 tickets and making $0, all the way up to selling 50 tickets and making $750. The domain is always the x value, so we would see that the domain goes from 0 to 50. The range is always the y value, so we would see that the income goes from 0 to $750.